Hi everyone, Imani here with No Limit Living, and let's get ready for this drone shoot. Alright, so we have our propeller covers that we are going to put on, as well as our drone bag with all of our landing pad, our flight log book, and everything that we need to pull this off successfully. So let's do it. So in this case, on the go, typically I use the back of my truck, but I don't have space in my trunk right now because I'm getting ready for another event later today. So it's full. So we're gonna use trunk my hood. You gotta use what you got. All right, first things first. All right, we are going to, I definitely don't want it to slide off, so we're gonna give it a place to sit. This is our landing pad, right on either side. Give it a place to sit. For our pre-flight checks, take off our guard that's covering. We are going to inspect our drone wings before we get ready for flight. So as I open them, I'm typically checking on them. I want to see if they are still tight, because if they are not tight, that's really going to affect your flight performance. All right, this is the camera, the gimbal. So next things next, we are going to unfold our bottom two wings here. Make sure that our propellers are good. And again, tight, because if they are not tight, you are going to have, it is going to affect your flight performance. We already have our SD card in, and we're going to insert a battery. So we have a full deck of battery just in case we need it. You could check the battery level on all of them and it should be full. Probably can't see because of the lighting, but they're all full. So we're just gonna pop one out, put the rest away, slide it into our drone. Next we have our drone controller. I'm going to pop out our sticks. And we are going to rotate them on. Pretty self-explanatory with the joysticks. As you can see, we probably should have charged our controller a little bit more. We'll make it through this job today. So I'm about to click that on. As you can see, our drone is fully charged, so we're gonna click it on as well. So they're kind of interesting in how they cut on. You gotta hold, click, then hold, then cut on. All right, see how they snapped into place? This drone's on now. All right. Next, we want to pop out these propeller guards. So these are, we don't really need them outside, but I use them just in case we get too close to things. That you can never be too safe for certain things. And they're especially great when and if you fly inside. So these, they have on these latches. Got the letter L. I just realized this letter L was on there. Good to know.
Home point updated.
Right, so it fits a lot better. As you can see, we are on. You could leave your drone off for this process. I was just excited, so I got it on. You can leave it off. They were super close. He was like an inch away. All right, so we are ready to go. We are ready to go.